Even if February is trying to market itself as the shortest month in a year, it's always too long. Pretty much the same as your visit to proctologist. Look around. Everything looks dead and there is no sign that it's going to be better. It's just like a morning in an intensive care unit. So some people who suffer from chronic optimism are trying to introduce some fun traditions into February. For example, Valentine's Day. But the red hearts of Valentine's Day are as natural in February as the plastic flowers in the cemetery. The only love that is very much alive in February is the love for carbohydrates, in the form of boiled potatoes and pork chop. February is the perfect time when you can stop calling your depression winter depression and start calling it spring depression. Some people say that the best way to deal with your depression is to be outside and to go for a walk. Like, for example, go for a walk on the riverside. I don't think they know what they are talking about. So the month of February is pretty much as your adult life. You work, eat, sleep, and hope that it will get better sometime in the future. And it probably will, provided that you are still alive at that point.